AccelWater project. Our demo is located into the industrial area of Patras. Two industries, a beer and a dairy industry, support this demo, and also a food product industry, Rezos. So the technologies implemented are regarding water, energy and waste management. So the effluent water from the Athenian brewery is being irrigated. So in that way it supports the development of an agricultural system, while in Friesland Campina, the dairy industry, the effluent water is being used for on-site uses and specifically for cooling towers. The numbers say that they can support the 70% of the total need of the cooling towers, and also this number is the 4% of the total need of water within the industry. Acid wave from Friesland Campina and spent grains from Athenian brewery. These two byproducts can be valorized and recover protein and other added value products. And also the solid waste residues may be further treated in order to produce thermal energy and electricity. AccelWater project supports circular economy and also industrial symbiosis by the collaboration of different industries.
The benefits of the project are clear. We now cover most of our cooling water needs through reuse, which drives down freshwater consumption and operational cost.
The benefits from the AccelWater project in our industry are significant and have a ripple effect. Mostly, of course, it is about saving water. So this is a resource that is very precious to the world, but also to our industry. By reusing the water helps us reduce our water footprint. This also is in accordance to our sustainability standards. We need to be focused on our green strategy. And furthermore, the AccelWater, especially in the Greek pilot, it was focused as well in the industrial symbiosis. Our main byproduct, which is spent grains, was used by another partner in order to produce something much better. Right now it's used for cattle feed. It was upscaled to be used for human food in protein bars. So that is a great thing. Upscaling the product, reducing waste, and also bringing more profit.
Were really beneficial, particularly they reduce the consumption of fresh water and enhance fire safety. They enable the creation of functional food products from waste. They reduce energy costs by producing renewable energy on site, and they also contributed to circular economy by valorizing byproducts.
Technologies implemented in the demo site for the frame of the AccelWater projects were passed electric field, used both to facilitate the peelability of tomato fruits and to recover lycopene from tomato waste. The second is high pressure homogenization to recover cutin, which is a natural biopolymer meant to substitute artificial polymers. And the third one was ultrasounds, which helped to recover oil from tomato seeds. All the technology we have used, not only the novel technology, but also traditional methods, help the industry to reduce its environmental impact, including reducing thermal energy and electrical energy consumption and water consumption.
Spanish demo site includes wastewater treatment line and a solid waste treatment line. The technologies implemented in the Spanish meat demo processing site benefit the industry because in the wastewater treatment line we were able to produce a high quality water free of pathogens, free of other emerging contaminants, which can be reused within the same facilities for cleaning purposes. Whereas in the case of the solid waste treatment line, we can produce energy and high added value products for non-marketable waste such as sludge or other meat processing byproducts that the industry cannot benefit from selling it.
Within the AccelWater project at our demonstration site in Iceland, we implemented technologies in two different areas. When processing of whitefish wild caught, and in land-based aquaculture of salmon. The technologies that we implemented in the whitefish processing were ultrasonic flow meters, which enabled us to map the water use, identify hotspots, and reduce the water that was being used in those hotspots. In the land-based aquaculture, we tested both a pilot-scale dry bleeding system, enabling us to limit wastewater and valorize blood, and we implemented a full-scale industrial dewatering system for the sludge or fish manure, which consisted of belt filtration, screw press, and then chemical treatments to stabilize the product. Within the whitefish industry, the knowledge is maybe the main benefit, because now we know how much water is being used in the whitefish processing. We know which spots are the hot spots and where we have the opportunity to reduce water, which has not been a focus in Iceland since we have a lot of fresh water. Further, within the land-based aquaculture, the opportunities to lower the amount of material lost with both bleeding water through dry bleeding and the processing water or the water from the tanks through sludge collection provides us the opportunity to limit the environmental impact of this through limited loss of nutrients with the processing wastewater.